Under tax planning and financial management decision, we have discussed capital structure decision, dividend policy, intercorporate dividend, and bonus shares. I will discuss dividend policy decisions as it impact intercorporate dividend and bonus share also. So, dividend policy decision. We have already explained meaning of dividend in the previous lecture. Dividend include normal dividend, that is final dividend. Final dividend means dividend declared in AGM. Interim dividend means dividend declared during the year. And deemed dividend as explained under section 222A to section 222E. Now, tax implication of dividend distribution tax under section 115O, as domestic company have to pay dividend distribution tax in addition to normal income tax. Now we'll explain tax implication of company distributing dividend. First is company distributing dividend is a domestic company. Tax on distribution of profits of the domestic company on or after 1st June 1997 but before 1st April 2002, and again after or onwards 1st April 2002 is taxable in the hands of company itself. That is, company have to pay dividend distribution tax at prescribed rates. Second is treatment of dividend received by domestic company from its domestic subsidiary company. Now where a company received dividend from subsidiary company and total dividend declared or distributed shall be reduced by the amount received from the subsidiary company where the subsidiary company has paid the distribution tax. Third is treatment of dividend received by Indian holding company from its foreign subsidiary company. In this case, Indian holding company has paid dividend distribution tax on foreign subsidiary company, then no tax will be paid again. Next is treatment of dividend paid under pension system trust. Next is treatment of dividend received by Indian company from its foreign subsidiary company. Any dividend distributed by holding company in the same year shall be reduced by amount received from the foreign subsidiary company on which Indian holding company has already paid the tax. Next is treatment of dividend paid by pension system trust under section 115O IA 2 with effect from assessment year 11-12. Any dividend paid under new pension system trust shall be exempt from corporate dividend tax. Next is dividend tax is payable even if no income tax is payable by domestic company. Next is the responsibility to deposit tax with central government within 14 days of distribution or declaration of the dividend lies with the principal officer of the company. Next is applicability of dividend distribution tax on sales developers with effect from year 2012-13, that is from the assessment year 12-13, sales developer have to pay dividend distribution tax under section 115O clause 6. Next is no dividend distribution tax on dividend distributed by a unit of international financial service center deriving income solely in convertible foreign exchange under section 115O8. Thank you. Next is penalty for non-payment of dividend distribution tax. If an assessee failed to pay dividend distribution tax under section 115O clause 2, then he shall be liable to pay dividend distribution tax with the amount equivalent to dividend distribution tax as fine. Next is prosecution for non-payment of dividend distribution tax to the credit of central government. If an assessee failed to pay dividend distribution tax to the credit of central government, then he will get rigorous imprisonment from 3 months to 7 years with fine under section 276B. Now it is very important to note here that dividend received is exempted in the hands of shareholder, whether it is normal dividend, interim dividend or deemed dividend under section 2 subsection 22 clause A to clause E. Thank you.